Hello Minglaba and welcome back food lovers. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about tea culture in Burma. Overall, I'd say that the people of Burma are more tea drinkers than coffee drinkers. The culture of drinking tea has grown around tea houses, which are more popular in cities as they act as a cross between cafes and pubs. Tea houses are a social gathering places where people meet to catch up on the latest gossip or set the world to rights. The Burmese word for tea is Laphet Yay, which literally means tea water. It's important to ask for Laphet Yay when ordering, because if you just ask for Laphet, which is the Burmese word for tea, your waiter will most probably likely bring you a tea leaf salad. This is because Burmese people consume tea by eating it as well as by drinking it. I'll talk about the eating of tea leaves in another video, but for today I'm just talking about having tea as a drink. Tea is served strong and sweet. This is because it is sweetened with condensed sweetened milk instead of fresh milk because of its long shelf life. A cup of tea in tea houses is usually very cheap, usually around 50 cents a cup, which is why chains such as Starbucks have failed to take off in Burma. So if you're in Burma, make sure you pay a visit to the local tea house and order yourself a cup of the local brew to experience a little bit about the Burmese culture. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.